Hello, everybody. Today is May 4th, and this begins our fourth week of virtual learning, about almost halfway there. Just as a reminder, all of these assignments will be due 9 o'clock on Sunday night. All right, so we are going to read 3 more chapters this week of Walk Two Moons, chapters 31 to 34. Here is the link to the PDF and the audiobook. There are no chapter questions this week again, so all you need to do is read. Just please make sure you are reading. And there are no chapter questions because we are going to be continuing our essay, our GMA on Walk Two Moons, so it's analysis of a literary character. So last week you were assigned to finish your brainstorm section, introduction paragraph, and body paragraph number 1. This week you're going to be finishing your essay, so you're going to do body paragraph 2, 3, and your conclusion. Now, I know some of you worked ahead, so if that's you, I want you to go back and see where you can add more information. You might add another example from the text. You might elaborate on one of your examples. So if you were telling me that Sal was kind because she was there for Phoebe, you want to tell me exactly what she did that was kind. So what did she do in the book? And again, if you're having a hard time thinking of examples because you don't remember them, just shoot me an email and tell me what you're thinking, okay, and I'll help you out. All right, so you need to finish writing the essay in the Google Doc on the assignment. And then there's another part that we need to do here. Okay, so when you're done, and this is in your assignment in the Google Doc, you need to copy and paste all of your paragraphs into the box down at the bottom. So you would go up to your introduction, highlight it, copy it, paste it down here. Then you would go to your body paragraph 1, highlight it, copy it, paste it in here. We want all of our paragraphs to be in this yellow box because we need to put our essay together as one. Once you do that, you're then going to go to My Access, just like we do in class, so all of us should know how to do this. Here is the link, www.myaccess.com. Remember, when we log in, we use a BY dot in front of our login information. Okay, and then you'll see the assignment is waiting there for you, and you're going to copy all 5 paragraphs together and paste it right in My Access and submit it. Now, if you're having a hard time with all this copying and pasting, just let me know and I can do this part for you because I can access all this stuff. So if you finished your essay and you're like, Mrs. Edgett, I'm done, can you help me put it together and into GMA? I can definitely do that, all right? So you'll find this section, again, at the bottom of your essay assignment page in the Google Doc, all right? And you'll find that right here in the assignment. Okay. If you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you have a great week.